I want to show you how to make smooth zoom blur transition in Premiere Pro. I've already added 2 clips that are side by side on my timeline. Go over to your project panel and create an adjustment layer. Then click and drag it onto your timeline above the 2 clips. Right-click the adjustment layer and select Speed/Duration. Then modify the duration to 30 and click OK. Click and drag the adjustment layer so it's centered between your 2 clips. Then go over to Effects and search for Transform and add the effect to your adjustment layer. From the center of the layer, go over to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon for Scale under Transform and change the value to 300. Now move the timeline slider back 5 frames and change scale to 100. Then move ahead 10 frames and change the value to 100 as well. Uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle and change the angle to 360. Right-click the first keyframe and select Ease Out. Then right-click the last keyframe and select Ease In. Now expand scale, then go over and click this area to reveal this blue dot. Then click and drag it to the right like this. Now click here to reveal the other blue dot and drag this one all the way to the left like this.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.